What's up everybody, welcome to the vlog. It's day 3 out here in Mexico and I already kind of got ready for the day and everything like that. Already had breakfast and got dressed and stuff. But in a little bit here, me and my dad and I think my brother are going to go down to kind of where we're playing basketball yesterday and play tennis because they have a bunch of cool like grass courts. They don't have like any grass courts in America, so yeah, we're going to go play on the grass courts, have some fun, and then whatever happens after that happens. So yeah. It's now only our second day here and I'm already just fried. Like, oh, it just hurts. Like my back, my shoulders. God, it sucks.
See you on the other side. Stay alive, stay alive. I got to keep it together, keep it together. See you on the other side. Stay alive, stay alive. I got to keep it together, keep it together.
like in like a lake. It's so much fun. There's so many waves.
Clean.
Awesome. This is a blast. All right, we're gonna get another shot here, but oh, this is so much fun. Oh, looks a lot bigger in real life. But that jet skiing was so fun. It was just amazing out in the ocean. Like, just the ocean looked awesome and everything. It just looked, the ocean looked awesome and the waves were huge and fun and awesome. I said awesome enough, but we got some fries and cheese and it was a little snack. It's actually really good fries here at the buffets. So yeah. So basically, yesterday when we put on a sunscreen, we were outside and it was windy. Sprayed the spray-on stuff, and I guess pretty much all of it missed. Cause I'm like burnt to like a crisp. It's terrible. It hurts so bad. Like just my back. Oh, it's the worst. It's just so painful. Alright, so we're back at the Italian place because we went to another place and like they didn't have anything good on the menu, so we're gonna come here, get something different, but then there's like a few other restaurants we still need to go to later on. Yeah, we're doing this place again. Got some nice lasagna. Alright, that is it for today's video. Gotta make this kind of quick because my camera battery is about to die. But yeah, that's about it for today. Hope you did enjoy. Real quick, this is an awesome picture I took of the moon tonight. And yeah, it was just, moon's still out. Really big, full moon. But yeah, anyways, that's it for today. Hope you did enjoy the video. I know I had a blast. And I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow. And yeah. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.